check out the Christmas Fiesta at the Cathedral of the Good Shepherd with me. What's this? It's the program for tonight's event. There's all sorts of fun activities to do here. Oh look, if we complete all 4 stamps, we get to redeem an item. Let's go this way first.
What is your name?
First up, we try temporary tattoos.
Hello.
I chose the Jesus Our Joy for my right hand and a picture of baby Jesus in the major for my left hand.
Can make love offering here.
After trying the fun activities, we walk past the food and drink area. As it's after office hours, everyone seems hungry, so this section is the most popular. I doubt this will be an area to collect stamps. There's finger food like kueh pie tee and hot dogs. There's also food like sliders and siam. What should I get? This is a tough choice. We ended up picking popcorn. Next up, we visited the games area. I challenged the boy called Joseph. It's Joy versus Joseph.
Fun time with your friends and see who knows more about Christmas. And also, of course, stand chance to win some souvenirs.
The objective of this game is to get the ball in any way possible into the cups. I decided to roll them across the table.
Hello, show harder.
Family, right now,
Continue.
got children with you, all the more you're welcome to come in and also
One more, go.
Center. Yes.
I got one in on my first try. The second one didn't get in, and so did the third.
Beurel Centre, JN Beurel Centre.
It's Joseph's turn now. His strategy is to roll all 3 at once. None were scored. They let me choose a pen. I picked the one with the cat.
Delicious lineup of food, all to tickle your senses. Let me pull up and see what we have on the menu.
Okay, take the.
This is the third time it's back here.
Next, I tried another game, putting the hoops through the lights. We get 10 tries, so it seems like it should be better than the previous game, right?
Wow, one already. Wow, Roland anyhow throw also almost kena in.
That was very close. Okay, that's too high. No. Oh no, 3 more.
Throw higher lah.
Higher.
Almost.
Last one. Come on, please. Okay. Okay.
Ryan decides to step in to help me save my face. Nope, this is totally not going well at all. Nonetheless, they gave me a stamp on my card. I found 2 out of 4 now. Where could the other places be? Perhaps it's the Beurel Centre, so that people would be incentivized to go there, as it is further than all the other booths that we've been checking out. Let's go have a look.
You are right.
Oh, you finished. Finish already. How many items?
Completed already.
3.
Oh, one more on the center.
Score! We
The
collected
center
our
no need,
third
because it's a
stamp.
Cairo. You already have a Cairo.
Oh, I just used
Yeah.
In the Beurel Centre, there is a nativity scene, and you can even get to meet Santa. I saw some shy kids taking some photos with him. Here, there's a family on the sofa playing Bible quizzes on Kahoot. There's also a place to paint pebbles. I decided to try my hand on it, even though I have zero artistic sense and skills. I just wrote Merry Christmas on my pebble and signed it with our social media handle. Okay, it's time to use our brains to suss out where the last stamp location might be.
Welcome, dear brothers and sisters, to the Cathedral of the Good Shepherd. Here we are having our annual Christmas Fiesta. Now, if you're in the area, come on in and join
Hang on,
us for the
could these
festivities.
logos signify the stamp collection points? If so, then we need to go back to the popcorn place now. Zooming over.
And so he's here tonight to also give you blessings.
Oh yes, that
And
was
so we
correct.
invite you to
Thank you God for
come on
jotting
to
my
the main
brain.
entrance of the church and perhaps say hi and
Okay.
So Cardinal is out to greet the public.
Oh, there we go.
He says hi.
Hi.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Alright, time to get back on our mission. We are going to redeem our prize now.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Where's the redemption place?
Cranking the knob, and I got a silver ball. We set to open it, and inside hides a medal. That's all, folks. See you in the next episode. Have a blessed Christmas.